Hey everyone, if you if you've changed your phone number and need to update it in your Yahoo account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to step by step how to change your phone number in Yahoo so you can keep your account secure and up to date. Providing a phone number is critical in Yahoo for account security, account recovery, and identify verification. It acts as a primary tool to ensure that only you can access your account and protect it from unauthorized access or hacks. The purpose of adding a phone number to a Yahoo account is to improve account security and recovery. It helps verify your identity, reset your password if you forgot it, receive your security alerts, and protect your account from unauthorized access. Now, today's video, I will teach you step by step on how to change your number on Yahoo. So even if you're new, you can follow along. Now, first, open your browser. You go to yahoo.com. Once we're redirected to the page, you log in your account. Once logged into your account, you go to your emails account. Now, to change your phone number, we will go to settings. To locate your settings, you go to your account logo or account name. You click account info. Click this account info and we will wait for it to load. Once we are now in our account info in settings, we go